Right, we've got a fantastic AMG GTS Premium Coupe show you here. 20,800 miles. The car is superb. Lovely service history, which I'll show you in a second. It's Fire Opal Red. It's a nice bright red. I'm going to show you each wheel as walking round, show you around in detail. All the wheels are lovely. As you see, red calipers. It's all been detailed. Looking down the side of the car, it's super. No dings and scratches. Really been looked after well, this car. Obviously electric rear spoiler. It's got the rear camera on this one, front and rear parking sensors. All the tyres good. I'll say all the wheels are nice as well. Right, we'll start going down the side. It's got the fixed glass panoramic roof with the roller sunblind. Obviously clear HPI report. We've got full handbook pack, both keys, original specification sheets, plus all the service receipts for the car. Look, there's all this in a folder. All done by Mercedes-Benz and MB Automotive, which are Mercedes-Benz specialists. So there's everything documented there. Anybody come to see this car will be delighted with it, with the condition. So there's the front wheel. Say tyres are all really good. Same down this side. Look at that. Passed for a lot newer car than a 2016. Right, there's the rear view. It's also got the switchable sports exhaust, Burmester sound system. Show you the interior. Illuminated kick strips, AMG over carpet mats, black leather. We've got the fully electric seats with memory. They're the comfort seats. It's got the leather and the Alcantara steering wheel with flappy paddles. Mileage 20,891. Like new in there. Everywhere you look on the car, it's super. So if you're watching this on YouTube, have a look at our website, justnicecars.co.uk. We've listed the full specification on there, together with all the photographs. Super, super car this. And what good value these are now. Any questions? If you'd like to give us a call at the showroom, 0750 1730, and we'll answer any questions for you. If you'd like to come and see the car, come and have a drive. Thank you very much for watching.